Have you ever wondered what's currently happening in the world of AI and chatbots? Simply imagine a tool that is incredibly advanced, pushing the limits of artificial intelligence to new heights. It's great to have you back on our channel. Today, let's explore the wonders of Google Bard, the newest sensation in the world of artificial intelligence. In this ever-evolving world of chatbots, Google Bard truly shines, surpassing expectations and exploring new frontiers. When it comes to responding to your questions and participating in meaningful discussions, Bard is far from being just another chatbot. It's truly remarkable how AI is shaping the future. Well, if you've ever found yourself wondering about the next exciting development in the digital realm, then you're in for quite a delightful surprise. Alright, let's begin. July 2023 marked a significant milestone for Google Bard. A slew of new features were launched, all aimed at enhancing the user experience. Let's just say Bard became even more intuitive, responsive, and user-friendly. It's not just about answering questions anymore. It's about creating a seamless and interactive AI journey for every user. Google Bard's recent update is monumental. Its capabilities now surpass ChatGPT, offering next-level features that are simply mind-blowing. With Google Bard, you can seamlessly check emails, find specific contacts, and even compose email replies without leaving its interface. It integrates perfectly with the Google ecosystem, accessing services like Gmail, Drive, and Docs. Google Bard introduces Bard extensions, allowing interaction with various Google services. It understands and communicates in 40 languages. Google Bard can double-check its responses, ensuring accuracy. Users can tailor Google Bard to their needs, from researching topics to creating content. Integration and improved responses. Images this. You seem like a busy entrepreneur, trying to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. During a busy day, you suddenly realize that you have to send a crucial email to a client, but you can't seem to remember the last time you had any communication with them. Instead of going through a bunch of emails, you just ask Google Bard, "Hey, when was the last time I emailed John Doe?" In just a few moments, Bard swiftly finds the precise date and kindly offers to display the contents of that email for you. However, there's more to it. After that, you kindly request Bard to compose a follow-up email using the information discussed earlier. And there you have it. You can effortlessly send a perfectly crafted email without the need to switch between different tabs or applications. Behold the enchantment of Google Bard in the year 2023. It's not only about receiving answers, it's about Bard understanding your needs and making tasks more efficient. Now, thanks to the integration of Bard extensions, you have the ability to conveniently access a wide range of Google services directly through the Bard interface. This includes popular services like Gmail and Drive, allowing for seamless interaction and enhanced productivity. No matter if you speak English fluently or use one of the 40 languages that Bard currently supports, our AI is designed to make sure that every interaction is clear and accurate. Fact-checking and multilingual mastery. In today's digital era, we are constantly bombarded with vast amounts of information. It is crucial to ensure the accuracy and reliability of this information. Hey there! Google Bard recently rolled out a cool new feature that's all about making sure the information you get is accurate. They've added a fact-checking feature to help you out. Pretty neat, right? This means that Bard makes sure the information it provides is not only relevant but also accurate, ensuring its reliability. Close your eyes and picture yourself engrossed in the captivating words of a news article, delving into the fascinating realm of a recent scientific breakthrough. With Bard's fact-checking capability, you can be confident that the details presented are cross-referenced and validated, minimizing the spread of misinformation. However, Google Bard did not cease its efforts there. In our interconnected world, it's super important to be able to communicate with people who speak different languages. Bard has just released an update that enhances multilingual communication. This feature guarantees that no matter what language you speak or where you're from, Bard will be able to communicate with you in a way that feels natural and human. For example, if you speak Spanish and need information in English, Bard can effortlessly provide that information in Spanish, making sure that language barriers don't get in the way of your search for knowledge. Image from Google Search. One of the impressive features that has caught everyone's attention is Bard's ability to effortlessly incorporate images from Google Search directly into its responses. This feature is truly groundbreaking and takes the user experience to an entirely different level. Let's think about the Eiffel Tower. If you were to ask about the Eiffel Tower, you would not only get a detailed explanation, but also be shown a visual depiction of this famous landmark. This feature is like having a chat with a buddy who, while explaining something, quickly shows photos to highlight what they're saying. Not only does it make the information more interesting, but it also makes the experience more engaging and interactive. Let's explore the endless possibilities. When you're diving into the world of historical monuments, embarking on adventures to new destinations, or just satisfying your curiosity about something specific, having visual aids readily available can truly enhance the experience, making it more captivating and unforgettable. Flight booking with Google Bard. The Google Bard has received improves to effortlessly work together with different Google apps and services, such as Google Flights. With this integration, you can easily book flights using Bard. For instance, if you were to tell Bard, "Book me a flight to Paris next week," Bard would connect to Google Flights, retrieve available flight options, and present them to you. Not only does this make the booking process simpler, but it also offers users a variety of choices, potentially assisting them in discovering improved deals or more convenient flight schedules. Bard YouTube feature. Google Bard's integration with YouTube is another remarkable feature. This means that Bard can access YouTube content, including video transcripts, to assist users in understanding or finding specific information from videos. For instance, if you were curious about a particular topic and there was a relevant YouTube video, Bard could pull up the video's transcript or even direct you to the video itself. This feature enhances the user experience by providing a multimedia approach to information retrieval. Google Bard vs ChatGPT. In the exciting world of artificial intelligence, there are two chatbots that have gained a lot of attention: Google Bard and ChatGPT. Both of them are truly groundbreaking, but they have different purposes and connect with users in unique ways. ChatGPT is an AI model created by OpenAI that is well known for its remarkable talent in participating in deep and complex discussions. It's more than just providing answers. It's about comprehending context, subtlety, and the complexities of human communication. If you're looking for a chatbot that can explore various subjects, offer thorough explanations, or even participate in philosophical discussions, ChatGPT is the perfect option. Humana's strength lies in its extensive training data and its remarkable ability to generate text that closely resembles human language, all thanks to the patterns it has acquired through learning. Google Bard is a fantastic choice when it comes to its seamless integration and wide range of capabilities. It's more than just a chatbot. It's a complete ecosystem. By seamlessly integrating with popular Google services such as Gmail, Drive, and Docs, it provides users with a more interconnected digital experience. Would it be alright if I quickly check my email while we're discussing this topic? Don't worry, Bard has got you covered. The visual enhancements also contribute to a more interactive and captivating user experience. Moreover, Bard takes pride in its ability to speak multiple languages and verify facts, making sure it meets the needs of people all around the world by delivering precise and pertinent information. Bard Global Reach. Google Bard isn't just limited to English or a few countries. Bard has made efforts to become more global by expanding its language options and availability in different countries. This means that now more individuals, hailing from various corners of the globe, can engage and reap the benefits of this remarkable AI tool. No matter if you're from Tokyo, Madrid, or Cape Town, Bard is here and excited to have a chat with you. Recently in Tokyo, a bunch of university students got together and put on this awesome tech symposium. They were all super excited to show off this cool thing called Google Bard and all the amazing stuff it can do. During the demonstration, Bart showcased its impressive ability to effortlessly translate intricate Japanese phrases into various languages, effectively bridging the communication barrier for attendees from around the world. In Madrid, there was this cool local startup that used Google Bart's amazing language capabilities to have meaningful conversations with their diverse customers. A kiosk was established in the heart of the city, allowing tourists to approach Bard and inquire about nearby attractions, historical sites, and even receive restaurant suggestions, all in their preferred language. In Cape Town, there's this awesome non-profit organization that's all about community development projects. Guess what? They recently decided to incorporate Google Bard into their operations. How cool is that? Bard was their chosen method of communication, allowing them to connect with various tribal communities and transform their needs and feedback into practical insights. This led to the creation of community-driven projects that were more inclusive and effective. The examples from Tokyo, Madrid, and Cape Town really show how Google Bard has a global impact and can truly transform the lives of people all over the world. It's amazing to see how this tool has become essential for users from different backgrounds and location. Google Bard coding prowess and logical mastery. Imagine an AI not just answering your queries, but also writing code for you. Doesn't it feel like something out of a science fiction story? But thanks to Google Bard, this has truly become a reality. Bard can now understand and write code, expanding its capabilities. This is a real game changer for developers and tech enthusiasts. However, it's not only about coding. The powers of logic and reasoning possessed by Bard have undergone notable enhancements. Now, it has the ability to participate in deeper, more rational discussions, creating a sense of interaction that is less mechanical and more akin to human conversation. It's like having a highly intelligent individual right at your fingertips, ready to help, think logically, and even engage in debates. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, Google Bard stands as a testament to the potential of chatbots and their integration into our daily lives. The way it can connect with personal data, offer improved visual assistance, and its ongoing growth in language and regional availability really highlights the progress being made in AI technology. Although Google Bard has received some criticisms, and there are areas for improvement, it is undeniable that its trajectory is moving in a positive direction. As Humanis continues to integrate with Google's wide range of services and enhance its logic and reasoning abilities, the future appears bright. We've only just scratched the surface of the incredible advancements and updates we've seen thus far. As we gaze into the future, Google Bard not only embodies the potential of chatbots, but also the boundless opportunities of AI in transforming our digital encounters. Thanks for watching till the next time.